That's why connecting rods won't turn. Ooh, look in there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's got holes in it too. Big chunk. Yep. Screen actually looks like it was doing somewhat of a decent job though.